Well, hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. As you can see, got the MPD Commander. Got her all together last night. Y'all watched the assembly video because it was a simple assembly. I did have to go, I made sure after off camera, I noticed that my nose cone or spinner was a little loose. Took it off, tightened it up, and the prop needed to be tightened on just a little bit more. But that's all nice and secure. Check these things. Don't just take for granted that the factory got them all right. But other than that, and that really wasn't even that bad. Just a little bit, just enough to make me notice it. But a little windy today, but it's always windy for me. So let's take this Maiden up. I'm running a 3200 4S, basically all the way, not all the way forward, but right up to the opening on the firewall there. But you can see the entire battery if you look straight down. I'll show you when the video's over. And running an AS3X only. I do have safe, but not going to be running safe on this bird. So let me make sure we are filming, and we are. Okay. All right. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right. I did not find in the manual, maybe I just missed it completely, what kind of rates. So I just did, I put on a 3-position switch. I ended up with 3 rates. I know I normally do 70 and 100, but my rates on this one will be for high rates are 100% over 30% expo on my aileron and my elevator. Mid rates for aileron and elevator are 85 over 30, and low rates are 70 over 30 for aileron and elevator. Now on my rudder, I left it at 100% over 30% expo no matter what. So really hot today, this March day, and let's see, that's safe mode, AS3X mode. All right,
AS3X mode.
All right. Wind seems to be coming out of the southeast right now, so kind of down the runway, which is unusual for me. You know what, let's do, just to be on the safe side, let's do a range test. Better to be safe than sorry. You know, I mean, all right, get her down here, find my square, which is right over here. This is about 100 feet away, so it's more than what's called for. 90 feet is what you need. But I'm of the opinion that if it passes at 100 feet, yeah, she's doing fine. Yeah, I'm getting movement. I see. Okay, cool. All right. Well, she tracks okay on the ground. Still wants to pull off to one side. Let's all right. Oh, and I've got this too.
Brakes on. Brakes off.
All right. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right, well, let's go. Need a lot of up elevator. Yeah, needs a lot of up elevator. So I'm having to hold. So that means that battery needs to come back some.
Time remaining 4 minutes. landing flaps. Flaps up.
All right, we'll land her now. Maybe, no, we're not.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Landing flaps.
All right. Well, I have to get her sorted out. I think I'm going to bring that battery back some. Thought I had the CG right on, but... All right, cutting grass now. All right, let's... All right. Take a look. All right, let's first off, let's
Motor
turn the motor off. We're going to bring this battery back some because she keeps wanting to dive on me. And that's where I've got the 4000 basically, or the 3200 4S right there. So we're going to move it back just a touch. Okay. Right to there. Back about 1/2 inch. Okay, I'll put my elevator back to neutral again on the transmitter. Okay. Ugh. All right, these are the things you do. All right, so I'll put back to my, what I'm looking at is my, you're not going to be able to see it right now, but okay, and all right, I got everything back to neutral now. Still got 2.5 minutes, and let's see.
motor on.
Let's see if that doesn't help with my diving issue. It seemed like I had to hold an awful lot of up elevator. Okay. Right, left.
High rate.
Oh, well, I was in low rates too. That definitely has a lot to do with it. What it wasn't having to do with the diving issue. Ah. Fly a little bit better now.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Landing flaps. Flaps up. Landing flaps.
All right.
Flaps up.
All right. She kind of dived there at the last second, didn't she? All right. Okay. Seems to me like that left elevator All right. They look pretty even now. Let's try this again.
Time remaining 1 minute. Landing flaps.
Yeah, she seems to be sorted in a little bit better now. A little bit better.
Flaps up.
Take a look at our monitor here. Oh, we got plenty of battery. Now, once you get a plane, sometimes they take a little bit of trimming. This took a little bit of right aileron and up elevator in order to get her flying the way I like her. But that's to be expected. All right.
Landing flaps. 30 seconds. Seconds.
Seem to get her sorted now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yeah, if you notice, you get to a certain speed, getting that ground effect, she will drop suddenly on you.
1.
Uh-oh.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up. Time expired.
Help me, help me. All right, how's my monitor looking? Okay. Oh, we still got over half of the battery. Not much. Not much over half, but we got enough to give ourselves a grass ops. Of course, we're already in the grass, so, you know, hey. All right. And this grass is dry, dry, dry. Yeah. Nope. May not be a good idea, grass hops with this plane. Gotta get her going a little bit. All right.
Landing flaps.
There we go. There we go. Now I got her kind of figured out a little bit. Got enough for. Okay.
Flaps up.
She tracks really well for a tail dragger. All right.
Takeoff flaps.
I'm gonna try takeoff flaps.
Flaps up.
Yeah.
Landing flaps.
Takeoff flaps, she'll pick right up. Now that's by the book.
1 minute over.
All right, we're gonna
Up.
definitely call that a successful Maiden. Need a little trim issue. She need a little up elevator. I don't think there's much elevator authority set the way the factory had them, so I'm going to go on there and give myself a little more mechanical up elevator and see if I don't like that better. But that is the Maiden for the E-Flite MPD Commander. 1.3 meter, I believe. So there you go, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Motor off. And that is one good looking plane. All right, folks. Thank you for watching. Hot March day. Bye-bye.